I think ship owners especially should be more open, let's say, not only trying to comply with the legislations, but to do a bit more than the minimum and try to take advantage of it. To have a competitive advantage, for instance, over other ship owners. Besides the well-known legislations that we know from IMO, and there are also local legislations, like in Australia we know there's a company promoting EVDI, Existing Vessel Design Index, beside the Energy Efficiency Index. So ship owners really should have a look at also optimizing their existing fleet, and just to do a bit more than it's just necessary.
Yeah, I think the best thing would be is moving a little bit faster. I think a lot of the ship owners do want to do the right thing for the environment and sustainability, but they tend to delay longer than maybe they should. So it's just moving a little bit quicker.
The shipping industry needs to focus on value creation in sustainability and not look at sustainability as a regulatorily driven aspect of their business. I'd like to see shipping implement a higher degree of protection of the environment, particularly through the product lines that we sell, things like ballast water treatment systems, things like scrubbers, and also things such as sewage treatment plant, effluent discharge treatment equipment. These are things that I think the shipping industry needs to be more aware of their impact to the environment.
Well, we work in the ballast water sector, and so we would like to see the industry embrace sustainability of ballast water treatment systems. That would be that the market, the owners would use those systems and provide feedback to all of the stakeholders about the performance of those systems.
So I've had a lot of conversations with customers who, ship owners, who really, it's almost head in the sand, deniability. You know, they don't want to, accept, I guess, the fact that these regulations are not coming, but they're here. And so that's, I'd like to see more, I guess, acceptance in what's going on, because the more our customers know about our technology, the easier it is to integrate that into their vessel. So the less they know, the more education, and therefore the more difficult it is for them to understand what the impact is to their fleet.
In terms of sustainability, I would think, that's a complicated one. More control, more monitoring, so you'll be able to decide and precise more what you can do with your vessel. So more data is something that is needed to be able to decide on where to go in sustainability.
That's a real tough question, because right now we're struggling with compliance. I think a willingness to look forward into the future past 2050.
What I'd like to see the industry do more is look at net environmental impacts. I'll use ethanol as an example. The production of ethanol really had a negative environmental impact rather than the positive it was designed to do. As we start to implement these technologies and new fuels and new configurations, I think we need to look at the net environmental impact. Is it really hurting or helping? Something that just was incredible this morning is you had Dr. Viss from Viswa Labs advocate for HFO, for heavy fuel oil, with the use of scrubbers. So, and then you combine that 2 panels later, you're talking about decarbonization. Where else are you going to have those two discussions within the same forum?